Good morning, Sacred Heart!
Congratulations sa Sacred Heart. Alam niyo po, mahirap na organize nito.
We launched this program about 2 years ago, and many alumni have responded.
Nagsikap tayo sa pag-aaral. You excel in your own personal talents.
Alam nyo, a couple of months ago, we toyed with this idea of getting together the alumni. Solidify the alumni ng Sacred Heart, and which as of this time, mind you, we are more than or almost 19,000 ang graduate na ng Sacred Heart since it started out in 1963. Kami ang kauna-unahang nag-aral sa Sacred Heart, 1963.
Pero under sa alumni, isang ano lang po tayo, isang pamilya.
Itong school nyo, maraming pinroduce na magagaling na opisyal ng pamahalaan, nasa pribadong sektor, nandiyan sila Engineer Efren. Marami pong produce tong school na to na mga kinikilala na po ngayon sa lipunan dito po sa ating bayan.
Kaya sa inyo lahat na maglalaro ng basketball, basketball may not be over for you for the next 5 or 10 years. Change your sport, do not stop, at kayo ay magkakaroon ng quality life.
This, my fellow basketball-loving alumni, is the main purpose why we are here today. Not just for the game, not for the uniform, not for the love of playing, but the opportunity to be together, to foster camaraderie among your batchmates, then the whole alumni.
I know therefore declare to preserve
this oath of a true sportsman.
this oath of a true sportsman.
So with that, as President of the Alumni Association, I now declare the games open. Thank you po at maraming salamat.
Welcome back sa home court ng Sacred Heart Academy. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at magandang umaga.
Kaya po, welcome home lahat ng mag-aaral dati ng ating Parlan Sacred Heart Academy.